Hey, so this video is about how to make money online fast, easy, and free. And I'm going to be showing you on my little laptop right here, it's a big laptop, about how you can make money doing this with Amazon and eBay. So the three ways that we're going to go over about how you can make money fast, easy, and free online. First off, basic tasks. I'll show you a really easy way. You don't make big money. You can probably make $5 to $10 per hour doing basic tasks, but I'm going to show you how you can make money doing that. I'm also going to show you how you can sell stuff that maybe it's in your garage or maybe you already own it. How you can sell that stuff online, which is called e-commerce, or maybe you can even sell other people's junk online and make some money doing it. So, and this is actually where I got started online, so it's kind of cool. And in the third one, I'm going to show you how you can make money with marketing. Marketing is basically sales, selling stuff on the internet. That might be too aggressive for some of you. So let's go over to my computer and I'm going to go over these three different ways of being able to make money online. So the first place we start is on Google, and the name of this program has a unique name. It's called Amazon Mechanical Turk.